What's going on, guys? Eddie at Fliptroniks. I'm going to be showing you how to buy cryptocurrency using the Robinhood app. Okay, so Robinhood is awesome. I've been using this app for stock trading now for like over 6 or 7 years. It's been a really long time, but they introduced the cryptocurrency on here, I want to say like a year ago. It's basically open to like every state in the US, and it's pretty cool, but it's got some drawbacks, which I'm going to go over. Also throw some links in the description and comments if you need, you guys want to check out Robinhood or some resources on cryptocurrency. All right, anyways, let me log into my account here. Now, currently I've got around 14,000 in here, which might look like a lot to some people. It might not look like a lot to others. Really just depends on, who you are, I guess. But, let's, get out of the stock trading portion and, we'll search for like Bitcoin on here. Now, as soon as you start searching for Bitcoin, you can type in Bit. It's going to pull up like the cryptocurrency option, so I'm just going to click on it. Now, this is what it looks like on here. It's got a really cool looking design, and that's the one thing I've praised about, Robinhood's, cryptocurrency section. Looks really slick. It's got like the black and purple. It kind of looks techy. And then as soon as we're in here, you're going to see that you're going to have the option to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, Bitcoin SV, and then there's like a huge watch list of a bunch of coins on here that you can't trade. Now, they have like the basic coins on here. It would be a lot better if they, had more coins that you could actually buy, but we'll, let's click on Bitcoin as an example here. So, kind of similar to the stock trading, if you've used the stock trading on Robinhood, you can pull up different charts. You can pull up like candlestick charts. You could pull up the 1 year on here, the 3 month, the 1 month, the 1 week. Check this out. It looks like it's pretty down right now for the 1 month on here. It's down about 20%. Another cool thing here is you can pull up the live price. So this is really cool. It's not like an hourly price, but it's literally live. And then, when you scroll down, they pull up different news for the cryptocurrency coins available on here. And then, of course, if you want to buy any of it, you would just click buy, type in, how much you want to buy, and then you'd own a percentage of it if you're not going to buy whatever it is, like $7,800 worth, which I think most people aren't. So, the one thing like that I do like about this is that it's connected with the stock trading. So, you can kind of dabble in it on here. The downside is that, let's say, for example, you buy one of these coins like Bitcoin, you don't actually own the coin, so you can't like send Bitcoin to anybody. You can't buy things with Bitcoin online. You're just investing in the coin. And then, of course, they don't have a lot of options on here, which kind of sucks. So you're kind of limited to, what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different coins. They'll probably add more in the future, but like right now, this is basically like very early stages of crypto on Robinhood. So my suggestion, guys, you can check it out if you want. Obviously, no harm to, just start buying some crypto on Robinhood. But the better option would be to check out an app like CoinBase. Now, CoinBase is basically like the stock trading app, of cryptocurrency. So, it's very similar to Robinhood, kind of like the layout on here. You can pull up different, charts and stuff. But, Coinbase, I've been using this app for like 5-ish years. And I've done most of my cryptocurrency trading on here. I've used a couple other platforms, but some of the credentials for Coinbase, it's used by over 30 million people. They have done billions in transactions. They insure your money up to 250K, and there's a bunch of different coins that you can buy on here. So they've got XRP, which I'm holding a lot of, Bitcoin, the basic attention token, Zcash, Tezos, Stellar, Chainlink, Ethereum Classic, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Cosmos. But the point here is that, you're gonna have more options, and you'll probably get a better, education into the crypto game if you're using an app like Coinbase, because there's more coins that you can learn about on here, and honestly, I just prefer it right now. So this is my go-to cryptocurrency trading app, but I do use Robinhood for stock trading, obviously, because I've got like, almost 15,000 in there. Anyways, you guys, really not too complicated, but if you do want to start buying some crypto, right now, I do recommend it. So I'll have some resource links in the description and comments. If you want to get started, you can always message me below in the comments if you have any questions. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and we'll see you in the next one.